Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is VanAmsen with another live coding session, and today we got a super interesting problem on our hands. First, unique character in a string. So, sounds simple, right? But there is so much more to it. So stick around and let's dive deep together. So, here is the task. Given a string, we need to find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. So if it doesn't exist, we return simple -1. So let's look at a couple of examples. So for the string LeetCode, the first unique character is L. So the output is 0. For love LeetCode is V, giving us output of 2. So, and for AABB, there is no unique character, so we return simple -1. So now, how do we tackle this? The key is in counting. So let's roll up and get into code. So first, we will use a default dict from the collection model, and this will allow us to create a dictionary where if a key doesn't exist, it's automatically added with a default value. And in our case, that value will be int, which default to 0. So next, we will loop through our string and count the frequencies of each character. And with our character counts in hand, we'll then loop through the string again. So this time we are searching for our hero, so the first unique character. And if we find a character, those count is 1, bingo, that's our first unique character, and we return its index. And if we don't find any such character, we simply return -1. So let's implement it. So character count will be default dict of int, and for character in S, character count char +1, and for I and character in enumerate of S, if char count char equals 1, we simply return I. So, and return -1 if we didn't return here I. Okay, so let's run it for these test cases to verify it's working. So yep, all good, and there you have it. So let's run it also for unseen test cases to verify it passes everything. So yeah, our implementation worked, and we beat 75% with respect to runtime, 100 for millisecond, all good. So yep, an efficient solution using just a couple of loops and the magic of default dict. So now for those of you coding in other programming languages, don't fret. I have implementation in Go, Rust, C++, and much more in the description below. And I hope you enjoy this session, and don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more coding adventure. Drop your question or any thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one. Keep practicing and happy coding.